Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and I'm back with day 2 of my 31-day series of how to organize your yarn stash better. So this next idea comes from Darn Good Yarns, and I love this idea. I am a book lover. I've always loved going to libraries, and even though they don't do libraries using card catalogs anymore, it still just tugged at my heartstrings because it just brought me back to my childhood where I'd go through the card catalog looking for my favorite authors. So as beautiful as this is, it's probably not likely to be found when walking into, say, Target looking for an organization system. This is an idea where you'd probably maybe stumble upon it at an antique store, or maybe even Home Goods might have something like this. At any rate, I think it's beautiful, and I just love the creative use of something old to store our favorite thing, yarn.